Here in the Philippines, the spirit of Chinese New Year is also in full swing, with thousands flocking to Manila's Binondo district to join the festivities. Mobile Journal Ray Vicente has the details.
Gong Shi Fat Chai! The oldest Chinatown in the world welcomed 2026 Chinese New Year last night with a firework display, drone show, and a crowd along Ongpin Street. The busy and lively street of the Filipino-Chinese community was filled with people visiting Binondo even a day before the Chinese New Year. But what makes Binondo more alive are the Filipino sellers of Chinese items spending hours of work just to celebrate the long-standing tradition.
Bilang Pilipino, nakaugalian po at nakasanayan na po namin mga Pilipino na makisaya sa Chinese New Year. Matagal na po namin itong business. Kaya alam po namin ang mga meaning, symbolize, and para saan ang mga lucky charm na ito.
For only 50 to 100 pesos, you can buy Lucky Charm bracelets designed for prosperity and success for particular symbolism. Another popular charm this year of the Fire Horse are horse figurines sold at 50 pesos, while delicacies like tikoy remains at the top list ranging from 75 to 200 pesos. For years-long tikoy seller like Stephanie, Chinese New Year bring people together at the heart of Filipino-Chinese heritage in Manila.
Malakas ngayon bisperas, pero nung mga nakaraang araw, medyo matumal din talaga. Siyempre po, nakikisa din tayo sa mga Chinese, mga nagsa-celebrate ng New Year nila. Tsaka, especially siyempre, yung nagninegosyo, ganun, para kumita.
The Grand Parade will start at 3 p.m. today from Manila Central Post Office to Lucky Chinatown Mall, showcasing dragon performances and fire activities. Kapatid Ray Vicente, we are One News.